This how we supposed to be, y'all.
We got us a big old sirloin tip roast. You see it right there. How much is it, baby?
28.31.
Ooh, all right. Just under 6 pounds. You know what? This is what I'm cooking for Christmas because I can't afford no prime rib. We're going to do a dry brine on this, and I'm doing 48 hours, and it's going to make it so delicious. You can already tell, right? This is going to be good.
Oh, yeah.
We're going to cook it so tender and so flavorful, they going to be like, if somebody say, is that prime rib? I'm going to be like, yep. We're going to make this super simple. I'm doing 2 tablespoons of kosher salt. So basically what we're doing is basically just a teaspoon per pound, to keep the math simple. So we're a little over because it's a little under 6 pounds. All right, let's get this dry brine. Don't be scared. This is a big piece of meat. We're gonna get all sides. So let me get like a little rack and everything. We're gonna put it in the refrigerator. 48 hours, 2 days. Keep it real simple. The foil shall capture the juices. Do it like that. It's going in the fridge, y'all. And then we're gonna go ahead and make up a beef rub. Our own special beef rub. It's ours. It's mine. It's yours. It's ours. Yep. Yeah, we got some space for you. Just like that. Uncovered, y'all. Beef rub for that big old piece of meat. Let me see. Let's go with a tablespoon of oregano. Let's do a teaspoon of dried rosemary. A teaspoon of black pepper. With the thyme, I love thyme, so I'm going with 2 teaspoons of that. Garlic powder, you already know. We going with a full tablespoon. You know what? I'm doing 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. Let's go with 1 tablespoon of onion powder. And then I got some coriander here. A half teaspoon of that. Pretty strong herb there. Half teaspoon of turmeric. Let's go with, I got a little mustard here, so I ain't weighing that out. So let's say a half teaspoon of that. We got this paprika left, so I got maybe, we're going to say that's 2 tablespoons. And that's it. And when we take that meat out in a couple of days, that's the rub. It's the beef rub. All right, see y'all in a couple of days. We're going to get on outside. I ain't getting on outside today because, what's the temperature out there today?
Below 5.
Can't do
below.
it. Arthritis won't let me do it. So wait till it warm up. It's going to be about close to 40. So heat wave out here in the Midwest, Chicagoland. All right, see y'all in a couple of days. It is time to season this bad boy up. All right, let's get a little olive oil on here. Serve as our little binder. Some on this side too. Let's get our beef rub on here. We may not even have to use all of it. Gonna be plenty of flavor, I'll tell you that. All right, we're gonna go ahead, just let this hang out. An hour and a half, 90 minutes. So, right now I'm just gonna go outside, get that smoker going, and let this come up to room temp. All right, see y'all outside. All right now, y'all, it is 29 degrees out here. Much better than yesterday. See, we still got ice out there. All right, let's get this baby loaded up. So we loaded it up a little more than the usual because it's cold. So still about two-thirds full, so not too bad. We ain't gonna let this winter intimidate us. We still flaming, y'all. All right, just let it do its thing. I got post oak wood today, y'all. Gonna do some mild smoke. That's it. Let this baby come on up. All right, it's time to get it in, y'all. We got this beef. We gonna make it taste better than prime rib. All right, what's going on here? So I got the meter probe in now. We're gonna take it up to 125. I got the smoker going right now. It's right about 225. We're gonna try to get it up to about 250 to 275. Shouldn't take no longer than about a couple of hours. 6 pounds. All right, let's do it. We're not letting the winter hold us back, y'all. It is nice today. Let's give it a flip. Been 1 hour in. Oh yeah, it's going real nice. That fire is holding steady. Wintertime barbecue. It's at 125 now, y'all. It's time to pull it off. Ooh, it's looking gorgeous. Looking gorgeous. That thing looking pretty there. It is done resting, y'all. I let it rest for 40 minutes and took me a total cook time of 2 hours. We were rocking between 250 and 275. Let's see how it looked. Is this how we supposed to be, y'all? Come on now. Nice. Let's see how it looked on this end. Yeah, we pretty consistent. Let's see what it tastes like. Man, that is good. Let me get me another piece. I didn't know, y'all. Man, that is hitting. That's hitting, baby. Do this for the holidays. You ain't got the money to get the prime rib, but you still want some beef. Tip sirloin roast, baby. Y'all saw how it's done. 2 hours to cook. Hey, simple as that. You know, do that dry brine. But check this out. Catch y'all on the next one. And even though it's winter time, we're gonna still keep on cooking. Peace.